And more local coverage this morning. A Boston police officer is going to be laid to rest today. Late last night, hundreds turned out to pay their respects at his wake as they were waiting for hours out in the cold to do so. Reporter Erica Ritchie is live in our newsroom with more.
And Danielle, they lined up for hours to honor this man, Boston police officer John O'Keefe. He served on the Boston Police Department for 16 years, was found dead outside of a home in Canton last Saturday. His girlfriend now charged in connection with his death. None of that, though, was on the minds of anyone last night. Let's go ahead and show you as they lined up outside of this funeral home in Braintree. He was just remembered as the hometown kid. A massive show of support from the community, along with scores of his brothers in blue and Boston's Mayor Michelle Wu. All of them waiting for hours to pay their respects to Officer O'Keefe's family, many working to put out of their minds the reason that they're here in the first place. Police say the 46-year-old was found outside of this home in Canton last Saturday with cuts to his arm and head, bleeding from the mouth. Police say O'Keefe's girlfriend, Karen Reed, was the one who dropped him off at that house that night and then left. She was arrested just days later and charged with manslaughter, vehicular homicide, and leaving the scene.
Nobody wants to see anything like this, and we just couldn't believe that something like this happened.
And Reed was pleaded not guilty, to those charges and posted bail. This morning is when Officer O'Keefe will be laid to rest. His funeral set for 11:30 in Braintree. A private burial will follow. That's the latest live in the newsroom. Erica Ritchie, 12 News.